Hey, you. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. Come closer. I need to tell you something. You have to keep it a secret. You're a wuss.
Cocoa's for wusses.
So for starters, we're going to start off with the whipped cream. And I got some extra thick double cream from the supermarket to avoid doing extra work, but I ended up needing to do extra work, which you'll see later in the video. So I went ahead with 3 heaping teaspoons of this cream. Then I added a drop of vanilla extract and maybe about a teaspoon of powdered sugar. Then I went ahead and mixed it. So while I was mixing it, I realized that the vanilla extract or the powdered sugar made it a bit too liquefied and it wouldn't hold. So I had to put it in a stand mixer and whip it extra. And then I just put it in a piping tool that I bought from the pound shop, very cheap and cheerful. And that was it. The whipped cream is done. Just add it into the fridge while you're making the rest of your stuff. So I just got some cheap chocolates from Lidl. So I'm just breaking apart the chocolate pieces into the milk, which I'm currently heating up. I'm only using one of the chocolate bars at the moment, as the second one is just to adjust the sweetness. So keep the second chocolate bar on hand for later. I also added some dark chocolate pieces just to add to the richness of the hot chocolate, but I think 3 pieces was just a bit too much. Now I've completely melted all the chocolate in the milk and the milk has completely changed colour. Then I'm going to go ahead with some normal double cream and pour the entire carton in there. Give it a good whisk and then add a splash of vanilla extract into your hot chocolate. Then you're going to add some extra chocolate if you want to, just to adjust the taste after you taste your hot chocolate, of course. Then go ahead with some milk to loosen it up, and then you're just going to whisk again, because whisking is very important, and then you are done.
Now, how about I fix you some cocoa?
No way. Cocoa's for wusses.
Well, sir, if you change your mind, it's on the windowsill.